Okay. Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to screencast your iPhone or iPad. Okay, this is from iPhone 15 because we are going to use this USB type C. So I'm going to just replicate in my monitor. You can replicate in monitor or TV with the help of this USB type C and this HDMI cable. So from iPhone 15 it's very easy. So we need to insert this USB type C on your iPhone, and then on the other hand, right, this HDMI cable we need to insert into monitor. So in the monitor, so once we inserted right that HDMI cable or this USB Type C, here you can see this HDMI. Okay, sorry, you can see this HDMI cable here. Once again, I just want to show that removing it and reattaching it. Here you can see this HDMI is detected here, which means you can easily replicate. I mean screencast. That's it, friends. Now you can see this in big screen. So whatever the navigation also is very fast. Super cool, right? So even Apple TV you can watch in big screen. Example, I'm going to play some shows. That's it. So I'm just reducing the volume. So that's it, friends. You can watch it in big screen. So that's it, friends. Simply you need this HDMI to USB Type-C cable for your monitor or TV. That's it. All this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks and mail forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.